So we're going to be attempting to replace the Blend Door Actuator. We think it is the one down here that's making the noise. There's two more down here, but based on the noise you heard in that previous video clip, we think it's going to be this one in here. So let's see how we do. So if we can these and the tab. That's probably the easiest step of it all. Just Alright, so now that we got the glove box off, you can see this is the actuator that we need to be replacing. So it's just a couple of Phillips screws on there. We'll take those out and then put the new one on. Alright, so we gotta disconnect this wire here. Ooh, that's nasty. Alright, taking some of that grime off so we can get a better handle on it. You can see it's got these tabs on all sides, so we want to gently loosen those so that we can make sure this is indeed a broken one. And there you have it. Alright, so then we'll just put the new one back on here. This part was only about, it was like $18 on Amazon. So if this fixes it, it's going to save you like $300 or $400 that the shop would have charged. Just like so. There we go. Just a tight fit. And this has a bunch of, let's just clean some of that off. And line that up back in there. And then replace your screws. And then let's start it up before we put the glove box back on. And make sure we don't get our sound.
With